Karoto akoroko gamne yatokanda se county ya Nairobi abo ase ebunge ye Senate litkulia lero omonogeri bwe Senate omoske Amason Jeffa Kingi ayenekia okurusigwa kwa omoseneta Omochore Gloria Oruoba kurwa ase Senate haro nototo igagotumanya oroboti orasinchira
Omoseneta Omochore Gloria Oruoba nigwanyorire emechandegoro magiga yogwa kwa isikone kiama kia UDA huna Omoseneta Omochore Gloria oyu arorekanire kungusa ebirengere ao kurwa bete kagochorwa huna Omoseneta nigo akomochigwa ase okuwetrania amo nensemo yokomerere serikali anene mono obalia abakomwa okoboko omwasiro mukoro muske Dr. Fred Matiang'i wokoligia ekiro kyobrai bwense maminchane kiama kia UDA egyokerense yomurai bwense omuske William Ruto Ekiambeka omoske Gloria omuriro ime nokogenda kumurotota omoske Matiang'i asegetigie chindege chinza chiabotuko nabo ikogenda asinyomba ao chioburalia gwakira omoske Matiang'i koko nabo igo gwikirana asomoyega bwo kumwarigania omoske Matiang'i inka ase chinsemo chiagusi na gwikira boniga nigo omonogeri we Senate omoske Jefferson Kingi anyarakaba gakumwaka isiko korwa se Senate gwetera ase egaseti notes ebyekoro kyobuna bono omoseneta Gloria Oruoba no omoseneta Omokoro.
This notifies the general public that pursuant to Article 103(1)(e)(i) of the Constitution and Section 37 of the Elections Act, the seat for the member of the Senate elected under Article 98(1)(b) of the Constitution and held by Senator Gloria Oruoba has become vacant, with effect from today, Wednesday, 21st of May 2025. Now, honorable senators, pursuant to the provisions of Article 101(2) of the Constitution and Section 16(3) and 37 of the Elections Act, I have notified the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, IEBC, and the political party concerned of the vacancy arising in the office of a member of the Senate elected under Article 98(1)(b) of the Constitution.
Senator Oruoba nigakobwatia chimbaretero chiomonogeri bwa serikali mosikese kimura oiboigo oruzetigwe abisine kiama gya Jubilee kolende ekigambiro gekamoirania wochia Senate ase akorete entunda yaye asensemo ya Gloria Oruoba gambiro nigo gyatuguterete are okwamerere kwaye asogote abuna tigo isaini kende kolende gwetera asomona kibina LN Mugambi niganyaraka bagakuru chika buna emirobiri yonsi yo kumwaka isiko etenene oika chitariki isato chomotienyi ogocho gatano limo ese aranyaka bagakurwa ogochika konde amatuko amake aetire nigo Omoseneta Gloria Oruoba anyorete emechando ime asiasete kurwa asiasenati amatuko gwetania 52 kubwatekana nechingwana chiaye mamincha nobokoleri bwe bunge kolende agakonyekera muno moli magiga yogosaba amabera.
Integrity of Parliament and its members and was contrary to the best interests of Parliament and its members. I undertake that I shall abide by the responsibilities of leadership as set out in the Constitution, the Leadership and Integrity Act 2012, and the Parliamentary Powers and Privileges Act 2017.
Kolengana nelijiko limanyegetabuna Political Parties Act, mubwatani bwe kiama kende gionsi, tabwana tikorokia orwemberali wochia ase kiama ekingao wose ekerengerelio ye kiama ekingao. Nabono Omoseneta Gloria Oruoba nigatumikire muna ekiorokererio anene mono wochia siaba bwatani ba UDA balia bakororekana kwamereria serikali. Aaron Ototo Nyaingiri, Getembe TV.